It's 11 total parts pro. Today with the 2012 Ford Focus, stock number 7053. It's ran from the 5th 2011 to the 8th 2015. There's an LW 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LW 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight has sun cracks. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory magnet tyre. Left hand door mirror. Front bonnet no dents. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left and rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear boot lid. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre. Right front factory magnet tyre. Right front headlight had sun cracks. Right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,